Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to restart this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the back button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see the option called About Your Watch. Once you find it, tap on it, then scroll down and find the option called Restart. Once you find it, it will look like this icon. Then tap on the restart icon, confirm by pressing the middle button right here, and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.